Hey you guys, welcome to Kali's Kitchen. Today we are making granola shots. It's quick, easy and nutritious. If you are a working mom like me, you will love this breakfast recipe. Let's get started.
I'm using 1 cup cranberries, half cup peanuts, half cup almonds, 1 cup oats, 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 2 tablespoons of vanilla essence, 1 cup honey, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Let's mix vanilla essence, honey and coconut oil together. Whisk well. Then add desiccated coconut, cranberries, peanuts, almonds, 2 oats and mix well. I'm using dried fruit mixed oats for flavor, but you can use plain oats as well. Mix all the dry and wet ingredients together. Transfer into a baking tray. Today's food fact. Did you know cranberries are a good source of vitamin C, fiber and antioxidants? They really can help prevent urinary tract infections. If you know any similar food facts, do let me know in the comments below. This is all ready to be baked, guys. Bake for 10 to 15 minutes or until golden brown. Bake at 180 degrees. Once baked, can be stored for up to 2 weeks. This is all baked and ready to be served, guys. Serve with either milk or yogurt.
My nutritious breakfast is ready, guys. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.